Hello everybody! In today's video I am going to be unboxing this very big surprise package. I got this in my P.O. box last week and I was not expecting it. I was, like I said, very surprised to see it and I'm very excited to open it. So we're going to open this together. But this is the July box for the Atelier brand. This is a brand that does a vintage style stationery as well. And I have seen them on Instagram and thought that their style was pretty interesting. But I want to go ahead and unbox this. I love how personalized it all is, and I'm going to show you in just a second what I mean. So first we have this personalized book plate, which I thought was really great. And then we have this personalized tag from Natasha, which I loved. And then we've got some stamped handmade paper, which I really love. And I'm hoping that this is kind of hinting to the theme of the kit. So we've got some Art Deco, some kitty cats, some bugs. So let's see. I'm not sure if it's totally my style, but let's jump in. So I'm just going to pull everything out, just so I'm not fighting the packaging. And the first thing I see is this clear stamp. Looks like the same stamps that were used on this. I guess it's clear without the green. Next we have, look how like everything is wrapped up. That is serious attention to detail. So it looks like we have a roll of tape here. Let's see if I can find the end. And it looks like little memo blocks. Oh, I love that it's lined with paper. Oh, and there's little kitty cats everywhere. Aw, so cute. Okay, so I was right. We do have a bug and cat theme going on. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's roll that back up. Next, oops, sorry about that. Next we have, ooh, look how pretty that stamp is. Look how pretty. I love that. And we have this cute little stamp. This looks familiar. I think I already have this in my stash, but I really like the look and design of that. All right, so it looks like we have two envelopes and then this one. So I'm gonna open this. So we have some old book pages, and I like how the edges are all torn looking. That's really cool. And then we have an envelope here. Aww. Oh, these are like their custom little cards. And they all have little kitty cats. Those are cute. All right, I'm gonna sit down and open envelope number 1. Oh, there's quite a lot falling out of here. I like the vellum envelope, but what a collection of bits here. So we've got some butterflies, and this feels like it's on sticker paper, some vellum, and a cool postcard. I almost just want to put this on the back right there. All right. And then there's just a various assortment of bits here. Let's see if I can get some kind of organization. I'm sorry, I was just kind of thrown by the explosion of stuff that came out, and I'm not super sure what's going on here. Okay, so we have some clear dried flower acetate stickers, which are pretty. A dragonfly and a butterfly carrying across the bug theme. And then a super random assortment of stickers, vellum, like a woodland theme. We've got some postage stamp stickers, circle stickers, and okay, so I think I've kind of figured everything out here. It kind of looks like a bunch of different packages were opened and like divided up. It's kind of like the vibe I'm getting from this, because it's like a little bit from a bunch of different packs. So interesting. Okay, so let's open this one. Alright, so we have a calendar here for August, which is great because August just started, but I'm pretty sure this is July's box. But I love that they give you the month next. So we've got a kitty cat chipboard, and then we've got some little note papers here. I definitely feel like this was part of something bigger and the parts were just sort of divvied out, which I can appreciate because sometimes it can be overwhelming to have a lot of one thing. Ooh, I like this little envelope. Look how cute. I like that. Another chipboard piece. Oh, this is a postcard. That's cute. And then we've got some papers here. So we've got some, this kind of feels like tissue with some botanicals on it. I love this with the speckle, the gold and silver speckle. And then some handmade bits here. I like that they're cut. Ooh, look at that. I like that they're cut long ways. That's really cool, that big piece. Okay, and then it looks like we have some more papers here. These are very, very thin and feel very, very nice. So I can't grasp the theme totally. So we've got cats and woodland and very vintagey, but we've got the florals with the soft botanicals. We've got bugs. We've got a little bit of everything. The postal-y theme with the stamps and the postcards. So a little bit of everything in this kit. Definitely interesting. I would definitely say this kit comes with enough to get like to play with, to work with, but it doesn't come with an entire pack of something. So there's not a whole notepad, there's not a whole box of stickers, there's not a whole thing that you get. Obviously you get the 2 wooden stamps and then the whole roll of washi, but this looks like it was taken out of a pad, and the papers and the stickers, everything looks like it was divided up, which, like I said, I can appreciate if you don't want too much of one thing, which I have definitely been there. I can definitely sympathize with that sentiment 100%. So I think it has a fun feel. I'll play with it and see how I feel about it after I play with it a little bit more. I don't know anything about this company. I don't know how much this kit costs. I would guess it probably compares to other stationery boxes out there like this in the maybe the $20 or $30 range, but like I said, I got this for a surprise. I didn't know this was coming until it showed up in my mailbox. They didn't ask me to do anything with it. They didn't ask me to film an unboxing, but I thought I would because it looked pretty, and anything to give you guys another option for something. If you guys are subscribed to Your Creative Studio or the Stationery Selection or any other boxes like that, and you feel like what you get is too much or too overwhelming, you don't need an entire notepad or an entire box of stickers or a whole pack of stickers or a whole roll of washi, this is probably a good option for you because you're just getting a few things of each design, and once you're done, it's done. So I think that's great. So anyway, that's going to be it for me. I hope you guys have enjoyed this unboxing, this very surprise Happy Mail. I love getting them. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. I will do my best to answer them, but like I said, I don't really know a whole lot. I will put the information that I do find in the description box for you. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you have a great day. Bye!